For this experience, you will need a regular CD-ROM. Let's remove the top layer from the disc. For this, you have to make a small incision on its surface. Glue a piece of Scotch tape and cut it off sharply with the spraying. Attach a small metal candlestick to the center of the disc. Now you need 2 wooden cubes. Make a support from them and install the disc like this. Turn off the light in the room. Direct a flashlight on the disc and admire the bright rainbow colors. Very beautiful! And now attention! On air, the nail of our circus program is a balancer from Nails! Make a hole in the bottom of a plastic cup and insert a nail into it. Put the nail on the table and lay 12 more nails on it, having their hats facing each other. Cover the top with 1 more nail. Carefully lift the structure and transfer it to the support. Due to the mutual distribution of masses, the symmetrical construction does not crumble, but deftly balances on the nail. Where there are nails, there must be a hammer. Look how cleverly I hold it at the very tip of my finger. Do you want to repeat the trick? Apply the unusual ruler to the hammer and connect them with a paper band like this. Now the hammer can balance not only on the tip of the finger, but also on the edge of the table. Try it! Time for one more physical trick. Look how beautiful the paper spiral is! To demonstrate the trick, you need a paper circle. Draw on it a snail and cut it out. For the base, insert the wooden skewer in the clothespin. Hang the spiral on the tip of the skewer. Place a round candle below it and light it. The flow of warm air causes the spiral to spin. Hypnotic spectacle! However, be careful, the paper can catch fire. The coin stands confidently in the palm of your hand, and can you manage to keep it? True, there is one secret. Insert a piece of a match between the middle finger and the ring finger. The coin is supported by the match, and at the right moment, it deftly hides between the fingers. If you have a wooden building kit at home, you can get a spectacular anti-gravity performance. Build a tower of cubes. Remove the supporting beam. Wow! The design does not crumble. The upper disc simply floats in the air. Do you want to know the secret? You will need wooden blocks and pieces of black cloth. Using a hot glue gun, stretch the cloth on the cubes. Build the castle by placing the supports from the secret cubes along the edges. Cubes merge in color with a black background, and they are not visible at all. Remove the main anchorage, but the tower is unshakable. After such a trick, friends will surely believe in miracles. The pin moves along the fabric in different directions, but the shirt remains intact. How can this be? The secret lies in 2 small magnets under the cloth, but that is not all. A pin must be prepared. Open the pin, bite off the sharp part of the needle using pliers. Bend the remainder inside. Put magnets under the tape and check the action of the mechanism. Drive the pin on the tape and the magnets follow it. Don't rush to remove the pin. It will come in handy for one more draw. Put your fingers between the pin and the needle. The illusion of punctured fingers is created. It looks very realistic. Brrr. Oops, this is a problem. I think your fingers are tangled. Of course, it looks original, but what is it with them? To create the illusion of interlaced fingers, you will need acrylic paints. The middle finger and index finger will be painted. Get white paint on a brush and draw a pigtail braid on your fingers. Paint the middle and the other parts of the picture black. Add shades and partial shades. Place your hand on a black background. Hurry to surprise your friends. And this trick casts doubt on all the laws of physics. Put a foam ball on the glass and cover it with a handkerchief. Raise the handkerchief. The ball rises after it. Incredible! For this trick, you need a cardboard cup, wooden sticks, and a foam ball. Break one stick in half. Glue half of the stick to the whole stick at an angle of 90 degrees. Attach the stick to the ball. Cut out an elongated hole on the cup. Insert the construction with the ball into the cup. Covering it with a handkerchief, unfold the cup so that it's convenient to hold the stick and it's invisible under the handkerchief. Ready for the flight? Take off! Now, let's show the trick with a small wayward coin. The coin disappears from the mug, then appears again. Is it magic? To repeat the trick, you will need a mug, a magnet, adhesive tape, and a coin. Using Scotch tape, attach the magnet to the palm of your hand, allegedly throwing the coin into a mug, catch it on a magnet. Then, pretending that you are pulling a coin out of the mug, imperceptibly remove it from the palm of your hand. Balloons are a source of endorphins and a good mood. Demonstrate that there is nothing in your hands and inflate the balloon. Pop the balloon with a sharp needle. Collect rubber flaps in your hand and pronounce the spell. Inflate the balloon again. The broken balloon becomes whole again. It's just a miracle. The solution lies in the fact that initially you had 2 balloons. Pull the balloon on your finger and twist it into a compact lump. Inflate the second balloon. Apply the lump of the first balloon to it and let the air out. The lump is drawn into the surface of the ball. Inflate the balloon, turning it away from the spectator by the secret side. The lump falls away and hides in the palm of your hand. The popped balloon is imperceptibly changed for the whole, and you continue our show. Look, what an elegant ring I have! Remove the ring from your finger. Return it to your hand again. Hit on your hand, and the ring materializes on your pinky. How did it end up there? It's simple. By intercepting the ring from your hand, leave it on your pinky. The hand is turned away from the viewer. At the right moment, sharply turn your hand. The ring appears on the finger as if out of nowhere. Make a magic currency exchanger right at home. Put a regular bill in a pot. Turn around and start to conjure. Raise the pot. There are real dollars under it. Isn't it surprising? 2 different notes will be needed for the trick. Glue the strips of double-sided Scotch tape to the bottom of the pot. Add a dollar bill and put it in the palm of your hand. Imperceptibly throw the dollar square after the first bill. The denomination is glued to the bottom and the dollars fall on the table. Tricks with an unexpected appearance of objects look very spectacular and mysterious. Mysteriously, a bright piece of cloth appears in the magician's empty hands. Has it really come out of thin air? The secret is to hide the handkerchief in the sleeves rolled up to the elbow before demonstrating the trick. At the right moment, sharply throw your hand forward and intercept the handkerchief with your fingers. Let's make an entertaining experience with water. You need 2 glasses of water. In one of the glasses, add and stir a tablespoon of salt. The red currant and black currant berries gave consent to participate in the experiment. Throw the berry of a currant in a glass with ordinary water. Of course, it drowns immediately. In salty water, the berry does not sink, but floats on the surface. Maybe it thought it was having a vacation on the Dead Sea. It's all about the difference in density. In salted water, it rises and berries do not sink. And now let's expose the secret of a spectacular trick with coins. Spread 4 coins on the table. Place 2 coins in each hand. Open your hands over the table. Drop 3 coins from the right hand and 1 from the left. Then put 3 coins in one hand and 1 coin in the other. The 3 coins find themselves another friend, and the coin from the second hand disappears without a trace. And finally, sweep all 4 coins into the palm of your hand. Open the fist. There are 5 coins now. Let's reveal the secret of the migration of coins. In total, you need 4 coins. Pinch the 5th coin with your thumb. Sweeping 2 coins into the palm of your hand, secretly throw in a 3rd one. And when you need to get rid of one of the coins, just pinch it between your fingers. These principles are used to build the whole trick. Reduce and increase the number of the coins with a slight movement of the hand. Now you know what tricks to show your friends to impress them. Write in the comment section which trick from today's video you would want to repeat. Twisted fingers, a flying ball, or a trick with balloons. Subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the bell so as not to miss our new videos.